Step-by-step troubleshooting for P4 error, improper voltage supply to AC. Safety first. Switch off the AC and unplug it to avoid electrical hazards during inspection. Check the power outlet output by using the another appliance. Plug another device like a lamp into the same outlet to confirm it's working. If it is, glow dim means voltage is low. Inspect the circuit breaker. Look for a tripped breaker. Reset the breaker by switching it off and on again. If it trips again, there may be a short circuit or overload. Do not force it. Use a voltage tester or electric meter to check voltage. Most electric meters display the supply voltage on their screen. For most split ACs, the reading should be between 220 to 240 volts Indian standard. If the voltage falls too low, for example, below 200 volts, the AC may fail to start or cool effectively. Check for loose or burnt wiring. Inspect the plug and power cord for burn marks, melting or loose connections. If you notice any damage, do not use the AC until it's repaired. Look for voltage fluctuation symptoms. AC turns on and off randomly. Lights flicker when AC starts. AC display blinks or resets frequently. If these occur, you may have unstable voltage in your area. Test with a stabilizer. Connect the AC to a voltage stabilizer rated for your unit. If the AC works fine with the stabilizer, the issue is likely voltage fluctuation. Inspect the outdoor unit. If the indoor unit works but the outdoor unit doesn't start, it may be due to voltage drop. When to call a technician? Voltage at the outlet is unstable or below 200 volts. Circuit breaker keeps tripping. Burnt wiring or smell. AC doesn't respond even after stabilizer use.